एकोपास्तावनाहार्या आहार्या वा गुणाश्रुतौ अनुक्तत्वादनाहार्या उपकार श्रुतै गुणैः श्रुतत्वादन्यशाखायाम् आहार्या अग्निहोत्रवत् विशिष्टविद्योपकारः स्वशाखोक्तगुणैः समः
एकोपास्तौ गुणाः अनाहार्याः आहार्याः वा एकोपास्तौ गुणाः अनाहार्याः आहार्याः वा अनुक्तत्वात् अनाहार्याः श्रुतैः गुणैः उपकारः स्यात् श्रुतैः गुणैः उपकारः अच्छा आहार्य श्रुतौ continue श्रुतौ अनुक्तत्व it is along with अनुक्तत्व श्रुतौ अनुक्तत्व अनाहार्याः श्रुतैः गुणः उपकारः अन्यशाखायां श्रुतत्वात् अग्निहोत्रवत् आहार्याः विशिष्ट विद्योपकारः कंटिन्यू स्वशाखोक्त गुणैः समः विशिष्ट विद्योपकारः स्वशाखोक्त गुणैः समः शंका एकोपास्तौ in a given upasana, not in the Panchagni Vidya, Vaishwanara upasana, Prana upasana, but given at different places. Ek upasana, we say, Gunaha means secondary elements, secondary things. Anaharyaha, aharyaha va. There upasamvara means inclusion. Should it be done or should not be done? Means upasamvara, anaharya means should not be included. Aharya means should be included. Means upasamvara, reconciliation by adding the things not told, should be done or not. This is Shanka. Purvasha says, Shrutau anuktatva. Shruti has not told you to club the things not told elsewhere as such. So that is a tatva. Therefore what says anuktatva? Anaharyaha. This means they should not be clubbed where the places where they are not mentioned. Then how the upasana will take place? For that answer is given. Shutaihi gunaihi upakaraha syat. See, why you bother about the things not told there? You do the upasana with the gunas told. This fellow was given half glass of milk. He looks, half glass is empty. And in half glass piyo पहिला. वो बाद में देखेंगे. This fellow is hungry. So they are hungry as such. You eat, you drink that whatever half is there. बाद में मिलेगा क्या देखेंगे. So why you bother the things, gunas not told there, etc. That means you can take upasana with the gunas already told there, sir. That is complete. That is what you say. Purapaksha. He says, no, Siddhanta is Anya Shakhayam Shutatva. Other gunas are told where? In other Shakha. He says, Anya Shakhayam Agnihotravat Aharyaha. Upasamvara should be done like Agnihotra. Agnihotra karma is told at different places, but different facets are told at different places. Shruti says they should be clubbed together. Agnihotravat, Aharya means Upasamvara has to be done. Vishishtopat vidyopakara swashakokta gunaihi samaha. Just as guna of one shakha are useful, so also gunas of other shakhas also are useful. You agree? Gunas told at a particular shakha are useful or not?
Yes.
So also gunas told in other shakha also. Vishishta vidyopakara. Vishishta means here gunas not told here but told somewhere at a different place. They have got a purpose. They also serve as the means. How? Swashakha ukta gunaihi samaha. So means the gunas told at other places serve the same purpose as the gunas told in a given shakha as such.
Given upasana in different shakas do not differ on account of rupa bheda, some guna bheda. There may be some other reasons also because of which one may say upasanas given in different shakas may differ. One more thing we had not seen earlier, that is rupa and dharma. Dharma is the achara, vrata, etc. On account of that they don't differ there. Other reason can be taken as upasana based or difference in upasana on account of samakhya. So we have seen this, why it is not so. Samakhya means names. Names differ, names differ, Vajasneyi, Kauthuna, etc. So then upasana must be different. No, names are not given by Shruti. Names are given by the followers of the particular shakha. It has nothing to do with the upasana. Therefore, name cannot be a upasana bhedaka. Bhedaka means it cannot say that upasanas are different. Other one is abhyasa, repetition. The same upasana is described in different shakhas. Therefore, that means it should be different. And why they should repeat? Listen. All Vedas are not studied by all people, are not expected to be studied also. What Shruti says, Swadhyayaha adhyetavya. So they should be knowing. So that's why different places they are there. So that being the case. So it is repetition. You say repetition because you have picked up from other things. But for them, it is the upasana given in them if they have not studied the other shaka. That is other abhyasa. That also cannot be the cause for, that is Veda as such. Then comes that Ashakti. You say upasamvara has to be done, but all cannot do it. Yes, all cannot do it, all will not be able to do it. Do you know why? Swadhyayaha adhyetavya. They study only their shakhas and not the other shakhas. So therefore, you have to take the help of a person who has studied all these things. So that is that. Just like there's no Chaturvedi, Trivedi, Dvivedi, all nowadays only for names. That Chaturvedi will not know how many Vedas are there. Yeah. So that is that. So there are people who have studied this. That is not a reason for the differences as such. Then they say, this is all given by Bhamati. So in that Samakhya we are saying the context of Vaiyasika Nyayamala. So Bhamati answers all these things. Then Samapti. And say, look, a given upasana in a shakha is ended. When ended means nothing more is there. My dear sir, it is ended for that shakha fellow. Because there it is said, it is there ended. That doesn't mean that it should not be told elsewhere, etc. So with this, all this is, by no other Vedaka can make it different as such. So therefore, a given upasana told in different shakas, in spite of Rupa Veda, Dharma Veda, there one, but exceptions are, this is the general rule, exceptions are there as such. So now, Upasamhara. So Upasamhara, this is the Prayojana Sutra. Upasamhara, Artha Vedan, Vidisheshavat, Samanecha. Take Anvaya. Vidisheshavat, Samanecha, Upasamhara, and Yogya, Upasamhara, Yogya, Arthabheda, Vidisheshavat, Vidhehe Sheshaha, Vidishesha, Vidhi, Karma Vidhi, Yaga Vidhi, Vidhi, injunction, do this, etc. Shesha is Anga, auxiliary, as something that is to be done. So like that, Vidisheshavat means Videhe Angavat, like the Anga, some auxiliary of the Vidhi, says Samane. Samane here is Upasane. Samanecha. In the case of Upasana also. So what is to be done? Gunopasamhara Yogya. Upasamhara for Guna. Gunana Upasamhara. So the secondary parts have to be what? Clubbed together. They should be reconciled. They should be collected together. Gunopasamhara says Yogya is correct, is proper, it should be done. How come? Kutaha, if you ask, Artha Veda. See, Upasya gunas are meant for what? To do the upasana. So that means the prayojana of this Upasya gunas are the upasana. Upasana is one and the same. So therefore what? Artha Veda. Arthasya Abheda. What is that Artha? Upasya gunaihi nirvartasya upasana ruparthasya. Upasana ruparthasya. Prayojana in the sense of taking to upasana. So that upasana, which is told by all these gunas, is what? Abheda is there. Similarity is there. Same thing is there. In Sarva Shakas means in all Shakas, upasana to be done by these gunas is one and the same. So therefore, what should be done? These angas, these gunas should be collected together. So arthasya abheda. So this is how it is.